What do you do for a living, Mr. Houlihan?
I'm in the process of, I need to take the Texas Health and Life Insurance exam, and then once I pass the exam, I'm going to be working for an insurance company.
How do you support yourself now?
Right now, living at home with my mother.
Save it. There's nothing wrong with it. You know, I graduated law school. I still went and lived with my folks. Man, I lived with my folks until I was like 35. There's nothing wrong with it. I saved a crap load of money, and, that's what you do, right?
And
there's nothing wrong with it.
Also work from home as well. So
Great. Just take care,
Yes,
work at home, stay at home, make a lot of money, keep a lot of money in the bank, and then you venture out. Don't do things backwards, like have a kid now, because do you have any kids?
38 years without kids.
Well, perhaps one day you'll get blessed, but just do things in the right order,
Yes,
and then things will work out for you. From now on, you'll be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. No proverbial slaps on the wrist. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
So what does that mean? I can go, when do I go take the scram?
First, you get the portable device. When you get that, we will take that ankle monitor off. I want to know that you have something that's testing you before we just take that off. We're not going to take your word for it that you're going to get it,
Yes, sir.
But the minute you get it, let us know, and then we'll take that off, and then you can keep the other one. If you pick up a new case, don't do your stuff. I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to put you in jail. I'm going to bring you back out in Orange, and we're going to talk about if you violated or not. And if they prove it to me, you're looking at 180 days in jail.
Yes, sir.
Understand? All right. I will find you guilty. I'm not going to suspend your license. So just take care. You have the ability to get it back. I'm going to waive your supervisory fees, your DPS fines and fees and surcharges, meaning I'm taking off around $4,000 of fines and fees that you would otherwise be required to pay. And if you don't get licensed. But I'm going to tell you now, if you come back here with another DWI, a second DWI, there's a surcharge of $6,000, not to mention court costs. So you roundabout leave here with about $7,000 in fines and fees. So if you want to get lit in the future, just don't get into a car.
I don't have any interest in drinking at all anymore, honestly.
Time heals all wounds, Mr. Houlihan. Say it again.
How come about marijuana too? Because that seems to be the problem.
Marijuana can be a DWI with marijuana as well. It doesn't have to be just if you take too much NyQuil, what happens? Right. So it doesn't have to be just alcohol. All right. Good luck. Don't smoke weed.
Yes.